Hi art friends, this is Emma. I went to the shop during the weekend and I saw the decorations for Halloween already. So I wanted to draw a Halloween Labubu today. I'll show you step by step how to draw it. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more cute drawing tutorials. Let's get started. Let's first start by drawing Labubu's face. Now let's find the center of here. So this is the center of the face, and let's move it slightly towards the left and draw a soft curve that comes down and goes up. Now from here, let's draw the eye. Curved line that goes down and connect using another curved line. We are going to draw another oval inside this eye, just like this. And then I am going to draw a circle within for the highlight. And let's shade in the rest of the eye. Now let's draw the other eye. So from here, draw this point across and draw a same sized curved line. And we're going to repeat the same process. Now let's use red to draw the nose. In between the two eyes, I am going to draw a curved line for the top and then draw an upside down triangle to finish the nose. Now let's draw the big smile. So from here, around the middle of the eye, I am going to draw this point out, slightly outwards, maybe end here. And then I'm going to find another point across on the other side. And I'm just gonna draw a big smile that comes down and goes up. Now let's draw the teeth. So I'm going to draw two triangles in the middle. And then we need 4 on the right side. more on the left. There, that's our cute Labubu face. And now let's draw the outside of his face. So from the center, I am going to draw a point that is higher than the inner circle. And from here, let's draw a curved line around the face. I'm gonna leave a space here to draw the skull. So the skull is like this, curved line up and comes back down. A small rectangle for the teeth and two soft lines. Going to use a small square for the skull's eyes. And connect over here. There. So now let's find the center of the face again, and slightly towards the side, I am going to draw a straight line that goes up, curve it up, and bring this line back towards the skull. So that's one ear. And then we're going to do the same for the other ear. Okay, so slightly towards the right, towards the left, a straight line that goes up and around the same height. We're going to curve it to the left and bring this ear back down. So now let's draw the inner layers. I'm going to follow the same curve as the outside. Round it off at the top and bring it back down. And finally, for the inner layer, I'm just gonna draw a smaller, same shape inner ear like this. There. So now let's draw the pumpkin. I'm going to give myself 2 points, one on the left and one on the right, to make sure that they're symmetrical. And from here, let's draw a curved line that goes up, goes down, and curve it back. So very nice shape for the pumpkin. And we're going to do the same curve on the other side that curves out and bring it back towards the center. We're not gonna close off at the bottom yet. Let's draw the hands first. So I'm going to make it simpler, and right around here I am going to draw an oval. And then within the oval, let's draw a curved line that goes like this. And then curve it back, so that's the fingers. I'm going to draw 3 fingers for each hand. and repeat the same for the other hand. There. Now let's add the details for the pumpkin. So I'm going to draw a triangle for the pumpkin's eyes. And we are going to give the pumpkin a Labubu smile. So from here, let's draw the same curved line for the smile. And then we're going to draw the same teeth. But we're going to shade the teeth in black. There. Now let's finish off with drawing the feet. So here, right, draw this point down and draw a big oval for the feet. Now within each oval, let's draw the tulip-shaped feet. There. Now let's color it. And that is the Halloween Labubu. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and if I helped you, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the weekly uploads. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.